Hi out there, everyone. Bernie Tully from the law firm of Tully and Son in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania at 412-281-8700. And today I want to talk to you more about this idea of what the insurance companies are doing to try to screw you as a victim out of your just compensation. Today we want to talk about how the insurance company hurts you or tries to keep money away from you, even if you're a passenger in a car for your back injury case. Now, let me be the first to say, if you're a passenger in the car, you're in hog heaven. And the reason why is that you didn't cause the accident. You weren't driving the car, maybe it was an intersection collision. One of those two is at fault, either the driver of the car or the one that hit into you, but not you as a pedestrian. Now, you think the insurance company would agree to that or say it? Nuh-uh, no way, Ray. We just had this happen about a month ago. The insurance company flabbergasted. The insurance company said, guess what? We're not going to pay your client money. Well, wait a minute, it's a back injury and it's a pedestrian. Well, the reason why we aren't going to, Bernie, is this. She was distracting him, the driver. They were having a fight, so therefore she's the reason why this accident occurred. If she wasn't yelling and fighting with the driver, none of this would have happened. And you're just like, are you out of your mind? Are you nuts or what? But that's the kind of thing you get. That's the kind of arguments you get. And that's what you have to deal with, and that's what our job is to do. The second thing they might say is, I wrote these down. It wasn't anything special, but I did write these down. Second thing they said is that you didn't have the proper insurance. You're a pedestrian, your back's hurting you, maybe you have back surgery. Guess what? You don't have sufficient insurance. You didn't have that limited or versus full tort, so therefore you didn't even get over the hurdle. And that's crazy, because if you have surgery, by and large, you get over the hurdle for your back of the limited versus full tort. But nonetheless, they'll fight that all the way, and that's why they'll try to devalue the case when they do make an offer. And the third thing is, they often say, just had this happen last year sometime, that at the scene when the police came, you didn't go by ambulance. You didn't tell the police officer you were hurt. Now, what happens a lot of times is this, as you probably know. You don't, when you're hit as a pedestrian and you're hurt, your back's hurting you, it's not that it happens right away, you start to feel the pain. It's when a little bit of time goes by, that's when all the effects come in. Usually it's the next day. And that could be a real good, valid reason why you didn't go to the emergency room to begin with. But the insurance company will say, well, if you didn't go to the emergency room, could not have been hurting, so we're not going to pay any money, even though this is a pedestrian accident, or a pedestrian accident, or a passenger accident. Both of you are entitled to money for it, but the insurance company's goal is not to pay you money. The insurance company's goal is to keep the money. And they go to training for this stuff. They go as to how to put an unfair advantage against you. That's why you need an advocate. And the main point to this whole video is this: the insurance company is not on your side, and what our job is to make this a level playing field. And that's what our job is, and that's what we'll do. We've been doing it for 35 years. Bernie Tully, personal injury lawyer, Tully and Son, from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, 412-281-8700 or 1-800-518-0050. We'll travel anywhere in Pennsylvania if the injury is serious enough to try to help you with your claim, with your back injury. Thank you.